No feedback rows exist yet, so the target medium is unknown. I will make a strong broad first probe with Inception because it tests movie, 2010, high IMDb rating, sci-fi and thriller/action, Nalan, and several recognizable actors. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the matching drop-down result and clicking the guess button because enter does not submit. Type card is green for Inception, which is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years from 2010 with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther than 0.5 for 8.8 with arrow down, so the target rating is lower than 8.8. Genre overlap: the action green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, newer than 2010, IMDb rating below 8.3, includes action, not adventure or sci-fi from this row, and does not include the listed Inception cast or Nolan. Type card is green from Inception, so target medium equals movie. Inception feedback says the target is newer than 2010, rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5. Action overlaps, while adventure and sci-fi do not. There were no actor or director overlaps. I will guess John Wick as a newer action movie without adventure or sci-fi, with a much lower rating and useful crime/thriller/action cast director probes. Type card is green for John Wick, Chapter 4, which is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years from 2023 with arrow down, meaning the target is older than 2023. Rating is green at 7.6, so the target had the same rating. Genre overlap: action is green, while crime and thriller are gray. Actors Keanu Reeves, Lawrence Fishburne, and George Georgiou show no overlap. Director Chad Stahelski shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, action genre, not crime or thriller. Older than 2023 but newer than 2010 from prior feedback. IMDb rating 7.6, and not involving the listed John Wick Chapter 4 people. Type card is green from John Wick Chapter 4, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2023, newer than 2010, at the same 7.6 rating, and includes action but not crime, thriller, adventure, or sci-fi from prior probes. Fury is a 2014 action movie rated 7.6 with drama and war genres, giving a strong test within the narrowed constraints without repeating earlier guesses. Type card is green for Mad Max, Fury Road, which is a movie, so target media equals movie. Year is within 2 years of 2015 with arrow up, so the target is newer, likely 2016 or 2017. Rating is within 0.5 of 8.1 with arrow down, consistent with the prior 7.6 exact rating. Genre overlap is action green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors Tom Hardy, Charlize Theron, and Nicholas Hoult show no overlap. Director George Miller shows no overlap. Constraints: target is an action movie from 2016 or 2017. IMDb rating 7.6, not adventure, sci-fi, crime, or thriller, and does not include the listed Mad Max people. Type card is green from Mad Max, Fury Road, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with arrow up from 2015, so the target is 2016 or 2017, and rating is 7.6 for earlier exact feedback. Action overlaps, while adventure, sci-fi, crime, and thriller do not, and no Mad Max cast or George Miller overlap. Only The Brave is a 2017 action drama rated 7.6 without those excluded genres, so it is a strong narrowed guess. Nice, the answer was only The Brave, solved in 5 guesses. The key clues were that it was a movie from 2017 with a 7.6 rating, and the genre trail narrowed it to an action movie with biography and drama rather than sci-fi, adventure, crime, or thriller.